Savita, is there any literature available which supports your seminar? I mean the literature of the 21st century. Essays,
Literature that
articles,
would support your seminar, but that would be not on internet. Some literature sources, written sources, that would be not on internet, but in books. Could you recommend some, especially now?
Yes, the best book there is on this subject would be the works of Dr. Gabriel Cousens. He's a medical. Yeah, he's a medical doctor. I wrote that he was a student 10 years younger than me. Aš jau buvau mokytojas, paskui jis pasidarė mano mokytojas. Žinai, tas yra visuomet įdomu. Bet geros knygos jojo yra tai Conscious Nutrition, 500 puslapių, paskui kita yra Spiritual Nutrition. Tai yra, mano nuomonė, tai yra viena iš geresnių knygų. O apie Essenes tai gali susirasti knygas Professor Zakeli, vadinasi Essene Gospel of Peace, ir gali on internet rasti NazareneWay.org. Kaip sakant, ir uždyka jau visos knygos, apie 30 yra uždyka, gali rasti on internet. Visos pilnai surašymas.